Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on POCO F8 Ultra. Alright, so all we need to do is to launch our WhatsApp that we have just downloaded, but before we open it up, let's open up the settings. In here, scroll down until you find Google, and make sure that you're logged into the same Google account that you have selected when you were creating your backup before, because if you'll be logged into wrong account, simply you won't be able to restore your chats. So make sure that you're logged into proper account. Alright, now we can launch our WhatsApp. Select your language, click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and in that place we need to type our phone number. Just like that, and now click on next. Click on yes. We also need to verify our phone number using one of the two methods. Currently the missed call function is selected. That's the way that I'm about to use. If you would like to use another way, simply click on verify another way button. Now click on allow. Alright, verified. Now we need to click on continue. Click on allow, select restore from backup, and click on continue. Okay, now our backup is being restored, all of our chats. Okay, 13 messages restored. Click on next. In here, type your name, and also you can change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. And now, as you take a look, all of the messages, including photos and videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.